Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Proving adverse possession means showing you've taken ownership of someone else's land without their permission. It's a complex legal process. You must meet very specific requirements set by state law. These requirements are strict. You can't just move onto someone's property and claim it. You need to demonstrate several key elements to a court. First, your possession must be hostile or adverse. This doesn't mean you need to be angry or fighting. It simply means you are occupying the land without the true owner's permission. You are not a renter. You are not there by agreement. Your use is against their ownership interest. Second, your possession must be open and notorious. Your actions on the land must be visible. They must be obvious to anyone, especially the true owner. You can't hide what you're doing. Building a fence, planting a garden, constructing a shed, or living in a house on the property are examples of open acts. The owner should reasonably be aware of your presence. Third, your possession must be exclusive. You must be the only one using the land. You can't share it with the true owner. You can't share it with the general public. It needs to feel like it's your private property. If the true owner is also regularly using the land, your claim fails. Fourth, your possession must be continuous. You must occupy the land without interruption for a specific period. This period varies greatly by state. It could be 5 years in one state, 10 years in another, or even 20 years in some places. You cannot abandon the property for long stretches. Your use must be consistent, just like an actual owner would use their land. Fifth, your possession must be actual. You must physically use the land. You need to treat it as if it were your own. This means living on it, farming it, making improvements, or enclosing it. Simply walking across the land occasionally is not enough. You must exercise dominion over it. Sixth, in some states, you might also need to prove you acted under a claim of right or color of title. A claim of right means you genuinely believed you had a right to own the property, even if you were mistaken. Color of title means you have a faulty deed or other document that appears to give you ownership, but legally doesn't. Having color of title can sometimes shorten the required continuous period. Crucially, in many states, you must also prove you have paid property taxes on the land for the entire statutory period. This is often a very strong, sometimes mandatory, element of proving adverse possession. It shows you treated the land as your own financially. Remember, adverse possession is not automatic. You must file a lawsuit in court. A judge will then decide if you have met all the legal requirements. It's a complicated legal battle. Always consult with a real estate attorney in your state. They can advise you on the specific laws and requirements where you live. Thank you for watching this explanation of adverse possession. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful legal insights and explanations. We appreciate your support.